LiveU Cape Epic is uses such a vast area, so covering it for live TV is just, it's a major operation. This year, LiveU put their hand up and said they want to come on board. They brought their technicians in, they brought the latest LU600 units in. It's a new HEVC standard, and it's been amazing. So with very little reception, we've actually managed to get fantastic pictures out.
It has been unbelievable, the coverage. I mean, we've been able to watch the riding as much as possible, and it's really worked well.
We've just made it possible for the fans of mountain bike racing to be able to watch and follow their riders live online. So it's quite an achievement. We're really excited.
You are in contact with the OB van the whole time, so you know where you are, you know when they come live to you. And it's easy to use, like I say. You actually really do forget about the device on your back. Especially with us chasing the front legs. These are the best mountain bikers in the world, so we don't have a lot of time to stop on the road and change stuff. And the device behaves itself 100%.
Rock solid. There's just no reason that we can't do what we want to do. As long as we got coverage, we can create any angle that we want to do.
With the camera on board of the e-bike, it's just crazy.
And it doesn't get better. You can't get closer to the action.
This unit is absolutely amazing, and it has definitely changed the industry for live broadcast. And we've captured some amazing shots in valleys and between mountains. We've never been restricted with anything. This is absolutely brilliant. We could carry on as it is, as usual, and we know that the picture is getting out there.
As a director standing in the OB, a choice was absolutely unbelievable. The choice from the helicopter, from the motorbikes, the visuals were stunning, it was clear, absolutely amazing.
It just opens up the canvas, and creativity belongs to you.
Looking at this event, I'm ready to go out to take my bike and start riding here.